Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So for today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add payment method on booking.com. So first is head over to booking.com and of course make sure that you're logged into your account. Now click on your profile name and icon, then click on my account. Next from your profile page, scroll down until you see the payment info section. From here, click on payment methods. Now from here, you can add or remove payment methods to make it easier when you book. Just click on add card. Now from here, just enter in your credit or debit card details starting with your cardholder's name, card number, and expiration date. Here are the bank providers available. And once done, head over and click on save. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope that you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. And I will see you again on the next one. Bye!